In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in NBA 2K24 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you two main ways in which you will be able to do 1v1 with your friends in NBA 2K24. So for the first method, which I believe is most convenient, and it's going to work flawlessly for all platforms, is to go over to the Play Now menu. So launch NBA 2K24 and go over to Play Now. When you go over to Play Now, you will either have Quick Play, which you can select and find the option to invite your friends, or alternatively, if you go over all the way to the right, you will find Play with Friends Online. I'm gonna showcase both methods. This could change depending on the version of the game that you have and the platform. So first, if you see Play with Friends Online, you will be placed into a virtual locker room, and immediately you will see a list of your online friends where you can invite them to this locker and play together. Now, alternatively, if you do not see Play with Friends Online, just go over to the regular Quick Play option. Immediately upon going into Quick Play, if you look at the bottom left, you will be able to find Invite Friends. So usually this is going to be done by pressing down on the right joystick, also known as R3. Immediately upon pressing down on the right joystick, you will once again see your friends list and you can invite them from here. So it is extremely simple. Send out the invite, they will be able to accept, and once they do, both of you will be matched up together in this lobby and you can go ahead and start the game. It is extremely simple and this allows you to 1v1 your friends as you wish. Now, once this is done, like I said, you can go ahead and start the match. Alternatively, if you are on a next-gen console such as the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X or S, you can also 1v1 in this city neighborhood. So explore this city and you might be able to find a dedicated 1v1 court. These are usually marked with a basketball symbol, and it's as simple as approaching the court, approaching your friend's character, and there will be an interaction menu for both of you to play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 NBA 2K24 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.